एवरीवन, आप सबको मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार। आज मैं एक बहुत ही इजी क्विक बनने वाली रेसिपी शेयर करने वाली हूँ, शाकशुका। ये एक नॉन वेज डिश है। वैसे ये है तो टर्किश डिश, बट मैं थोड़ा इंडियन वे में ही बनाऊँगी। लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट एनी मोर टाइम एंड जल्दी से चलते और देखते कैसे बनती है। इट विल टेक हार्डली 15 मिनट्स। लेकिन उससे पहले अगर आप मेरे चैनल में नए हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए चैनल को, ताकि आपको मेरे सारे नए वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आते रहे। और अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, शाकशुका की रेसिपी अच्छी लगी हो, तो प्लीज़ एक बार लाइक बटन को ज़रूर हिट कीजिएगा प्लीज़। So let me start with the ingredients. What all we need to make shakshuka. First of all, you need garlics. Just 2-3 cloves of garlic is enough. You need 1 onion. Make sure the onions are cut into small pieces. Then you need capsicum. Since I have yellow, red and green capsicum, I have added, but it's not required. Only green capsicum is perfectly fine for this recipe. I have taken 1/4 of each of the capsicums. I mean 1/4 of a whole capsicum, and I have made a medium sized pieces of this. Then I have green chili slitted. Depends on the spiciness. I mean how much spicy you want your food to be. If you want more, you can add more green chilies. Then I have eggs. For this much of ingredients, 3 to 4 eggs are enough. Even you can add, if you are making for more people, you can increase the quantity of each of the ingredients and add more eggs, or you can reduce the ingredients and add 1 egg. It depends on for how many people you are making. Then I have fresh cream. It's not required. I mean it's not mandatory to add fresh cream, but if you add, it will get a nice flavor, a creamy texture. This is the cream I got from the milk. It's not a ready-made, I mean the store-bought fresh cream. And I have tomato puree. You can just cut the tomatoes and make a puree of it. If you want the traditional authentic taste of shakshuka, you can boil the tomatoes, you can peel the skin, and you can make the puree of it. And the next thing you need is a pan. Make sure you don't take a deeper pan. Take a pan which is wider, little bigger, because whenever you'll put the eggs, it will take more space in your pan. So take a wider and a big pan. You can take steel pan, non-stick pan, that doesn't matter, but it should be a little wider. So in spices, I'll be taking cumin seeds. I'll be taking haldi, turmeric powder, red chili powder. You can add Kashmiri red chili powder as well. It will give you a good color. Then you need coriander powder and jeera powder. I'll let you know how much quantity I'm adding once I start the preparation. So for oil, I'm using mustard oil. You can use any of the cooking oil. At my place, mustard oil is the one which is used more, so I'll be using that only. 2-3 tablespoons of oil is perfectly fine. You can add more or less. So here I have added the oil, and I'll be waiting for the oil to get I'll be waiting till the time the color of the oil get little darkened, or you see smoke coming out from the oil. The mustard oil have a very kachi kind of a raw kind of a smell. It will goes away, and that is the time you can understand that the oil is done, and now you can start your cooking. Oil is almost it's almost done. You can see mustard oil changes its color whenever I mean you can see whether it's ready or not by looking at the color. So see, the mustard oil will become little darkish on the color once it's done. See. So this is done now. So I have added 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and wait for the cumin to get crackle. So once the cumin start crackling, we'll be adding garlic. इसको बस थोड़ा सा डार्क कलर आने तक आपको इसको पकाना है. I'm sorry because I don't have a stand, so I'm shooting with holding the camera in hand. Little थोड़ी बहुत इधर उधर हो जाए तो please adjust कर लीजिएगा. I was about to buy a stand, but then this corona and all this lockdown stuff. So you can see that the color is coming. Now what I'll do is that I'll add the onions. And I'll wait till the onions become brown. So हमको ऑनियंस को ज़्यादा नहीं पकाना है. डोंट ओवर कुक इट, जस्ट मेक इट लिटिल ब्राउन. थोड़ा सा भुन जाए, थोड़ी ब्राउनिश टेंट आ जाए तो आप इसमें कैप्सिकम डाल दीजिएगा. Just put the capsicum. When you can see the little tint that you can see here, little brownish tint has already come. So now we'll be adding the capsicum. Though you can add the capsicum later also if you want, after adding the tomato puree and the masalas. But at my place, I have just forgot that you need to add the slitted green chili at this point itself before you add the capsicum. So I'll be waiting for the capsicums to get little mushy. Maybe 1 or 2 minutes to max, or 2 minutes max. 2 minutes में capsicum will get mushy and the crunchiness will go away. If you want to keep the crunchiness, आप इसको कम पकाइए. Cook it for less time. So now I have added the tomato puree along with the all the masalas. I have added half a teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of jeera powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and a pinch of turmeric. You can increase the amount of Kashmiri red chili powder if you want. So at this point we need to add water. 3-4 tablespoon of water is fine, depending on the if you need more gravy you can add more water. So once you see the curry is cooked, that is you'll be seeing oil oozing out. So जैसे ही oil ooze out होता है आप समझ जाना कि करी बन चुकी है. Now what I'm doing is that I'm making little spaces. In this spaces only I'll be putting the eggs. आप जितने सारे eggs डाल रहे हो आप उतने सारे spaces बना लीजिए. So here I'm making the spaces for 3 eggs. So now how to put the eggs? You have to break 1 egg in a bowl and then you have to put the eggs. So make sure that you're not putting the egg directly into the curry, otherwise you'll make mistake that I did initially. I thought I'll be doing it like that only, but उसमें बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं होगा. So make sure break the egg and then only you put it in the curry. So the eggs will remain whole and it will look good also. See, once you put the egg, just put little bit of black pepper powder above the egg yolks and cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now when to check कि egg पक चुका है and curry is done. The way I was putting spoon in the curry, just put a spoon. आप जैसे normally केक को देखते हो बेक हुआ कि नहीं, वैसे ही अगर आप spoon डालते हो and you see the egg is breaking, that means done. So I am making roti here because I will be having it with roti. At last what I am doing is that when the egg is cooked, when the curry is done, I will be putting cream above it. Cream will give it a very nice texture. So once you put the cream, you can cover with it lid again and it's done. So once it's done, आप just cut it into pieces because जैसे curry बन जाएगी, you can see that you can cut it into pieces very easily and then you can serve it. So I hope आप सबको ये रेसिपी पसंद आएगी. You all will be loving it and do make it. And once it's done, let me know how is it because मैंने भी ये second time ही बनाया है. And I hope आप सबको ये रेसिपी बहुत पसंद आएगी. Thank you.